and get that pool running, obviously free from the sun. So it's off the grid, runs independently from the power source. You probably just need to make sure you get some water at your property. I think you got to sign up for that, and we can get the pool going once you get some water. Hey, this is Mike Evingham from Natural Current, and we're at the Altadena location where sadly a bunch of homes burned down, and we've been helping people get their swimming pools back operational. This gentleman here, Sergio, has his pool running well. So his pool's blue. They've been utilizing it. They got a little trailer there, enjoying what they can. But you can see the return flow is really great. Really keeping this pool going. The cleaner's moving around solid. The SunRay solar pump running. You can see it's really quiet. We have a nice 525 cartridge filter here, and this works really well. Allows for great water circulation and filtration. His panels are just laying flat, so when the sun crosses the sky here, you can it's nice to have them on a little angle, but you definitely don't have to. Sergio has been very successful with his panels just laying flat on his wooden gazebo. He's rebuilding. I think he's getting approved right now to get his house built. Might take about another year or so. But the nice thing is he has a swimming pool where his kids and his family, they can come here and at least take a deep breath knowing they're going to rebuild and have a nice swimming pool to come to and swim in. We have some construction going on down there. You might hear some air blowing. Looks like they're power washing something. But that's that sound if you're kind of wondering. But yeah, we wanted to come by and see how the pools are looking. We have about 4 customers right now in Altadena, and we're going to try to get some back operational in the Palisades. But yeah, it feels good. We have 4 customers in Altadena leaning in, getting their swimming pools back operational. And once again, solar panels are just laying flat, and you can see this was able to handle the fire. There's the panels, the filter, and the pump, and he kind of camouflaged it pretty well. Let me cut him down here. Yeah, but looking from the street, somebody kind of want to look in, you don't know that's a brand new filter and SunRay solar pump system with some solar panels. So again, I'm Michael Evingham, Natural Current SunRay solar power pool pump. That's Weston. He builds the pumps, and we look forward to getting your pool operational, get it blue again where you can enjoy it, and start to rebuild. That's what it's about, and that's why we're here. Give us a call and we'll get you dialed in and get that pool running, obviously free from the sun. So it's off the grid, runs independently from the power source. You probably just need to make sure you get some water at your property. I think you got to sign up for that, and we can get the pool going once you get some water. Make sure you can keep some water in it, water levels, and also clear it out if we need to. But if you have water and you have a pool and you're wondering what you should do, give us a call. Michael Evingham, Natural Current, SunRay solar powered pool pumps. SunRay solar powered pool pumps. You can Google SunRay solar pool pump and you'll find us. Give us a call and just say, hey, I'm in the fire zone and I like to get my pool back going again. All right, thanks so much.
Hello, Altadena. Just wanted to make a quick video to say thank you to Michael from SunRay Pumps, solarpool.com, for getting my pool to look like this. After the Eaton fires, it looked terrible. It was full of ash, lots of heavy metals, and it was really just a black pool, very acidic and so on. And it looks like this now. They've got a fence around it so nobody decides to go swimming without our permission. But looks great. We have been swimming in it. I've got a little pool cleaner that's functioning as well, and it is strictly running off of a DC pool pump. It's cranking right now. I've got it running off the solar panels. Only 4 of them. This thing's amazing. I also had a filter installed as well. All of this came out to less money than buying an AC variable speed pump. This is a variable speed pump, but it's DC. Super easy to put together. It's really a do-it-yourself project. You really don't need anybody else. I went ahead and connected the to the existing, or what was actually there before it burned. But you don't need to do that. You can go straight to the pool like we did one of our other neighbors. But once again, thank you, Michael. This was awesome. We have been using the pool. As you can tell, we don't have a house yet. It's just a nice, clear lot. But soon we'll have a house to go with the pool. All right. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.